Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you want to perform a super fast search of your files and folders in your PC, then watch this video. Now we'll open the browser and we will look for Void Tools. Now open this website and then download this app, everything. Now we have to see which one we have to download. So for that we'll go to system information and we will see the system type. So mine is an x64 based PC, but if yours is an x86 based PC, then you need to download this installer. But I have a 64-bit version, so I'll download the 64-bit version and then I'll open the folder, right click on it and run as administrator and follow the installation. Once it is installed, I will go to the app and I can search for any file or folder in the blink of an eye. So let me search for THETE and you can see how fast the files and folders appeared. Once you click on it, it should just open the folder as such. And there you have it. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.